Okay, so homework-wise, if you guys could take out your homework books, that would be great. We're gonna go over page 17. I
Don't
think
have
you're
my
on page
book.
17. Section 2. I'm gonna screen share anyway, but I just want to hear your answers. Uh, to quickly review, actually, we'll recap later. So let me screen share what I have right now. Hold up. Here. Go. Okay. So let's go to the PowerPoint. Let's start. Now we're gonna just keep going. Oh Jesus! Oh, what just happened? Oh my gosh! I don't know what happened. Yeah, just have your workbooks out. So we did this already. Now we're on section 2. Okay. Hey, let's just get all active participation here. So let's start off with Simon. Read the part A in the Pogi example right here on the screen.
Um, 이작을 읽은 적이 있어요. 있어요.
What do you think that means? Like,
Did you read this book before?
yeah, have you read this book before? Okay, that's good. All right. So Eden, why don't you read the B side? Read this answer.
네, 읽은 적이 있어요.
Hmm. Simon and Eden, one thing about this word right here, let me annotate it.
What word right there? Where?
읽다.
yeah.
Don't try to be confused. You're like trying to pronounce this, the 리을 기억 받침 right here, the double consonant. Try not to get so confused. Just pronounce it as it is. The more you
Okay.
stress, the worse it sounds. Okay, so don't be like yeah, just say 읽은 적이. Okay, make it smooth. Don't be nervous. Just be confident about it. If you mess up, you mess up. Okay. I'd rather you say it quickly and a little bit more flowy than rather to take like 20 seconds to say the word. You know what I mean? That's fine though. Just letting you know. Okay, what do you think that means, Eden? So you just read 네 읽은 적이 있어요. What does that mean? Eden, telling you. What the sentence you just read? What does that mean?
Have you read? Wait, which one? Number B or A?
B, the one that
Oh,
you just read. What?
yes, I read this book before.
Okay. Make sure you use the have. I have read this book before because that means that you have done something because that's the whole translation of this. Okay. So this is our example. Now we are going to apply that method of hey, this in the picture, the verb. There's a verb, right? We're going to use that verb and conjugate it into the 은적이 있어요, 은적이 없어요, right? This time it's just 있어요, okay? And we're going to write a sentence about it. So in these cases, for 1 and 2, you have 네, okay? And then for a frame of reference, we have the word 네. That's going to correspond to this. 은적이 있어요, right? Does that make sense? And then let me do if it says 아니요, that's going to correspond to this. Why is that? 네 means yes. 있어요. That means yes, I have. No means no. 없어요 is not nothing. So no, I have not done. So just remember, if you see 네, it's gonna be 있어요. If it's 아니요, it's gonna be 없어요. Okay. Now, looking at that and looking at what we just saw, let's apply that to the problem. Okay. So 1, I'll read the A side. 낚시를 한 적이 있어요? Have you ever gone fishing before? And let us use let's see who Ryan, how about you do the B side for number 1? Tell me what you wrote for this answer.
Uh, 한 거기 있어요.
No, can you say the
Oh,
whole
wait.
sentence? Start with ne.
네, wait. Okay. 네, okay. 네, 한 거기 있어요.
Okay. So you're technically right, but you didn't specify the verb. So it seems like I would like for you to use the verb. Why I ask? Because it gives you more clarity. Just because it just gives you more clarity. And since you are, beginners at this, you want to use the full extent of the sentence. And also, it's you. This is not the correct pronunciation. It's 한적이. See it right here. 한적이 있어요. Okay. Can you pronounce that again? This part.
한 적이 있어요.
Good, good, good. Okay. So now, if we were to write that, let's see what our example gives us. 낚시를 한 적이 있어요. Okay. Make sure next time you use the full extent of the verb. 낚시. Okay. All right. For number 2, we're gonna do A. 가족들과 나들이를 간 적이 있어요. So, who wants to answer B? Actually, let me just call Aaron. Give me your answer for B side for number 2. Start with 네.
내 가족들과 나들이를 간 적이 있어요.
Okay. Wait, can you say that again?
Like the whole thing?
Yeah, you can say that again. Sorry, I couldn't hear you that well.
내 가족들과 나들이를 간 적이 있어요.
Okay. So, I think you said 가족이 있어요. In reality, and correct me if I'm wrong, but it's still this 간 적이 있어요. The neon has to be here because that's part of. This is part of This is part of your conjugation. Just for frame of reference, let's see what they have. 나들이를 간 적이 있어요. Okay, so you didn't even need the 가족 in this sentence for this answer, but just remember 가다. When you have 가다, right? Remember? So go from here. Do you see what I'm doing, Aaron? All right, yeah, just make sure you don't forget the neon. Okay, you probably were trying to intentionally say it, but it just didn't process. That's fine. Put that off to the side. Number 3. 친구하고 싸운 적 있어요? Have you ever fought with your friend before? And in this case, it answers no, 아니요. So let's see. Leon wants you to say the B answer.
Do I say what I wrote
Yeah,
down on the homework?
yeah. Say what
Oh,
you.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
I memorized it, so.
Okay. Okay.
여기 없어요.
Wait, can you say that again? I couldn't hear you that well.
아니요, 친구랑 싸운 적이 없어요.
Oh, okay. That's good. That's good. Yeah. So 친구들랑 싸운 적이 없어요. Okay. Exactly how we did it. In this case, well, we would conjugate it though. Oh wow. Okay. Sorry, I think I'm losing you guys. Don't know if it's my connection or yours. But yeah, this is our review for the homework. Just a frame of reference, right? When you look at this, 네 is equal to 저기 있어요, 아니요 is equal to 저기 없어요. Right? And Leon did exactly that. He adjusted to this environment. 아니요. So he knew that, oh, it's going to be 없어요. Perfect. Good job. Okay. All right. Stop share. And hold on. Okay. Hold on a second. Hey guys, me there. Oh Lord. Yeah, can you guys hear me? Yes, no, maybe. Okay, cool. So let's just continue with this grammar review because we've been learning this a couple times already, so it's time to like get our knowledge processed and finally do some review. So when we have, let's go to the whiteboard. When we have, let me do two words. And that's it. Do these two. Or let's do these two. Right? Okay. So in this case, right, we have here. This is your verb. Okay. So regarding these two words, what's the Leon? What's the difference between hada and mukta? Like, what's the two differences?
Hada means like you're doing something. Like 나는 피아노 하다. Like you do something, and 먹다 is like you're eating something or
Okay.
you eat.
Yeah, perfect. Right? This is very simple words. What else can you infer from this? Like, what else is different about these two words? Sorry, let me expand my screen. Anyone want to guess?
They mean different stuff.
Yeah, I know that. But like, what about the structure of these words? If I looked at hada and looked at mukta, what's the difference in the spellings?
It doesn't have a
Doesn't have a what?
continent. And for
Yeah,
the mo
yeah. I know what you mean. Okay. So yeah, you're right, Leon. Hada doesn't have consonant. Mukta does have consonant. So yes. No. Then here, yeah. Understand? Okay. Oh man, these are so frozen. Hold on. Show reconnect. Hold on. Hmm. Yeah, I'm done. Can you guys still hear me? Cause like, yeah, I don't really see you moving at all. But okay, good. So Leon's right. Hada doesn't have a button. Mokta has a button. Kyo, right? So when we conjugate this, it's going to be two separate ways. We're going to have two different types of conjugations, right? Hey, for grammar review, Ryan, what do you think? If I had no button here, if I know 받침. How am I going to conjugate this into this?
You're gonna add the near as a bottom.
Mm-hmm. So this translates to well, let's do plus ni은. Okay. So in that case, what does this equal? So what's the full answer? Eden, what's the full answer? If I did hada to this, what's the
I
full
can't. Wait, what? I can't hear you that good.
answer?
Even
Okay.
though mine's 100% volume.
Oh, okay. Well, can you hear me now?
Read what?
So
Hada?
so we had this, right? We're breaking down this conjugation right here, right? Hada is we're gonna add the ni은 받침.
저기.
Yes. So what's the full? Combine that together. What do you get? The conjugated verb.
Do I add the da too?
Mm, the reason why I put the parentheses around the ta is because we omit the ta, right? So
Hada
you don't.
plus what's it? Is 니은 저기 있다?
Yes. Yes. So what do you get? What's your combination? I want you to conjugate this for me.
하단 저기 있다.
Eden, like I said before,
치.
you are not going to, this ta is omitted because this is not the stem. This is the verb stem, right?
한 저기 있다.
Thank you. Thank you. Now we have another situation here, right? Now we have a different example. Remember what Leon said, we have a KO.E5.20, right? So Simon, I want to quiz you now. Yeah, 먹다. What do we add now? What are we gonna do to conjugate this? This has a 받침, so it can't be the same exact thing. What are we gonna do? Simon? Hello? Simon? Hello? Yeah, okay. That's cool. Okay, so, hold on. Okay, so Simon, actually, since you're breaking up, we'll get you later. How about we do Aaron? So in this case, oh, sorry, I guess it's you then. So Aaron, we have a kill team here. This is our stem, our verb stem, right? So what are you gonna do? Like, what is gonna be put in here?
Like since the last one. Like, would it be like mokun?
Okay, good. So what you're saying is we have to add un 저기 있다, right? Good. So now we have this. Good job. This is your basic conjugation. In week 1, you didn't know any of this. In week, I don't know, maybe week 20, I don't know. This is like week 5, I don't really care. But anyways, you in a couple weeks now, you learned how to conjugate it. This is your basics. You have to know when to conjugate, if there's a 받침 or not. The fact that you, like, when you are focused and like when you're having trouble conjugating this verb into this, always remember, check the 받침. Ignore the ta. Step 1. Let's do this. Let me do this. Number 1 is to omit the ta. focus on the stem, right? So in this case, hada, ha would be the verb stem, and 먹다, 먹 would be the verb stem. Okay. Second step. And then number 3, memorize the rules that correlate or that correspond to the touching. Please memorize this. These steps right here, key steps to understanding how to conjugate regular verbs. This will help you when you if you're gonna keep attending Korean school, or like until like I don't know when, maybe until like high school. Memorize these. These 3 steps are the most fundamental. Okay. Honestly, since we have time, I'd actually get out a notebook right now, or get a piece of paper and copy this down. Like do this right now. Okay.
Can you
Or-
copy and paste that on the chat instead?
I can, but like I also want you to write this down. So how about I copy and paste it in the chat after you write it down? If you want this moose to stay up, you're gonna need to copy it down. Hey, it also helps your penmanship. I used to write really sloppy like you guys, and now I write. I didn't really improve my handwriting, but at least I learned how to write. Just saying. And also, most of this is in English. Come on. By a show of hands, does any like? You're funny, Simon. Okay. But by a show of hands, is it?
Paper.
Okay. Hurry up, guy. Hey, the faster you write, the quicker we can end the class. So motivation, right? And let me know when you guys are done. But by a show of hands, while you're writing, do you guys get this now? Yes? Like, yes or no? Do you guys get it? Any person having trouble with this verb stem at all? Simon, do you get this at all? Like the verb stem and stuff? Like all this conjugating stuff? Simon? Hello? No? Okay, well.
I mean, I could understand the ta, like when you add ta, but like I don't really fully know everything.
Okay. All right. That's something we can work on.
I'm like starting to a little.
Yeah. Can you at least copy down like what I'm highlighting first? Because this is like, even though this is not gonna help you understand a lot, this is your basics. Like this is your basics. Just saying. Okay. Let me know when you guys are done. By the way.
I'm done.
Okay. Show me on the screen. Show me that paper. Okay. Good job. You know your handwriting is pretty good, Aaron. Like, God bless you. Jeez. Anyone else finished copying? Yes? No? What's up, Ryan? You have a question? Are you done? Oh, you finished? Can you show me like via like your screen? Oh, nice. Okay, good. Okay. Do I start to wrap it up? So, anyone else done? Leon, Eden, Simon, any of you guys finished? Okay, Leon, can you show me like through your screen? Like, just show me what you wrote.
Wait. So you were glitching out for some moments. I'm just like, wait, what are we doing? So then, this time when you said, "What? Show me what I'm doing," I heard that part, but
Oh, okay. Sorry about that.
what are
So,
the steps?
do you see my screen right now?
Kinda.
How do you kind of see my screen?
Like, some parts are. Oh, now I see it clearly.
Yeah. Do you see the
Like,
highlighted portion?
yeah.
Copy that.
What?
Um,
Write it
I
down.
think, yeah,
Just write it all down.
yes, right on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Do that quickly. Eden, did you finish? Eden? Yes? No? Maybe so? Hey, Simon, also, where are you? Where did you go? Oh, hey, hello. Did you finish writing down the stuff?
I'm writing.
Okay. Write fast.
I have the last stuff right now.
Okay. Okay, well, since it's approaching 8:30, in answer to your question, Aaron, let's just do that for let's do that for next week. I'm getting really busy right now, and yeah. Also, some of you guys didn't do all the homework that I asked you to do. So some of the homework tonight that I'm gonna give you seems really long, but it's just because it's some of the homework that you just did on Tuesday. So if you already did it, don't do it again. But if you didn't do it, do it. You know what I mean? You have the full weekend to catch up, and you have until like Monday night. So it should be easy. What's up, Leon? What do you have? What's your question?
So you know how you said the homework is from Tuesday's homework?
Yeah.
Like part of. Wait,
Part of
is
it,
it
yeah.
everything or
Part of
part of
it.
it?
Part of it's from Tuesday's homework.
Okay.
So yeah. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna be. You guys can finish writing, and just I'll ask you to show it to me when we do the second class. Okay. So I'm gonna end my screen right
Done.
now. Okay. I'm just gonna end my screen now, and if you didn't finish writing, that's okay. We'll just do it later. Okay. All right. I'll see you back at.
Wait. Can we do that drawing thing again?
I would, but I'm really busy right now. So, yeah. Let's
Can
do
we
it
do
next
the
week.
drawing thing again?
Let's do it next week. Okay. Okay. And I'll see you guys back at 8:43. Okay. 12-minute break. See you guys.